wastelands through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands through the highways, and on we'll go.
We're headed to Ubud now. Just packed up everything pretty much. It's now our 4th day here, 4th complete day, and we're going golfing today, so I have my cute little golfing outfit on. Got my cute golfing outfit on, a little white skirt with a crop top, and we are headed out though. Pretty much just have 30 more minutes, and then our Uber is gonna come pick us up, and we are gonna head out.
I don't do well, but there's a better chance I get off the doors earlier if I work hard.
Thank you. You too.
Welcome to Villa Sella Vela.
Thank you.
Flowers. Smell good.
They're like tied together. I'm gonna accidentally break it, I feel like. This is their common area. We're kind of just waiting. We're here early, so we might not get to go in just yet, but we need to get here. This is all common area. I think that's where you can eat. And it's a very open area out there. There's a pool. The lady just came by and dropped the 2 wines that she was gonna serve us and didn't realize it was ours, but she came back with them. Very cute welcome drinks.
It's good.
Hi.
Hello, how are you doing?
I will give you a little bit information. My name is Kadek. Nice to meet you. Here is our living room. Start 7 in the morning until 11 in the night. There is a public area too. And we have a public hammock over there. Over there is a lotus bed.
Oh wow.
Also here we have a couple of bathtubs. Over there is our swing.
Oh wow.
If you want to use the swing, just let me know. We will have my friend is still make the fire on over there. You see the
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome to your room.
Thank you. If you want you in the picture, the background probably won't show up. We can try. We can try.
Huh?
There it goes.
We'll see. We made it to the golf course, and we're about to go in. Take a picture at that later, but we're about to go golf. Currently in the golf shop. He's buying some balls and a shirt. Got my own little golf cart. Got 2 golf carts. One I get to drive all by myself. He gets a little person who gets to drive him around. We're at the hole one right now. It's par 5. Oh, here he is out there. It's getting set. Pretty cool. Pretty cool little gig to have. So we're on our last hole and done pretty good. We had to skip some people, so we came back to I think like hole 4 or something like that. And then I don't know what we're doing. I'm just driving the golf cart, just whipping it around and being photographer today. It's kind of relaxing for me, and I have a beautiful view. I was golfing.
Horrible.
What?
I was so bad, but it was a great view, so it made it even better.
Yeah, we're done with golfing, but we still have some beers to finish, and we are just sitting and seeing this beautiful view. What golf resort are we at? What golf resort?
Handara Golf Resort.
Handara?
The one with the really cool gate in front of it.
Yeah, which we have to go take a picture of. Come here.
The best thing in your life. Way oh, way oh, oh. You got me singing. Way oh, way oh, oh. Look like a guy you could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Good morning. We are at our Airbnb. We
we ordered in some food for breakfast. We're gonna sit outside and eat it, and then we're going to go shopping for some furniture.
Then they have step by step chisels. They have 25 pieces of chisels. I think the red hibiscus first, and then the yellow hibiscus. When you're around, who knows? Yeah, who knows? If you really find something, you can ask him to me about the price.
What is it?
2100.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Which one's piece of that? It's like a get one and two for like $650.
Ya, PPP.
Harga kontainer sekarang 25.000.
Oh ya, per 20 ya.
We take object from Balinese people 1910 or 1920s. When the Balinese people topless, no clothes.
Topless.
That is the last process. If you want to take photo, video.
Like the matches, like the heads, it's like not too thick. That's like one.
This is both of them the same artist, and he took object from daily life in Bali. That is the teacher. That's one of the
6 months to make. It's crazy. So, how old do they do it till?
Until their eyes cannot see them.
How do you become a master or one of the teachers?
How do you become a master? So this is your typical Balinese house, yeah? You see? They're not like one. They're not one building. They're separate little buildings.
So this is the bedroom right here, right?
Actually, not this one. This one in the middle is the area for like when you do ceremony.
Oh.
For your people who lives here, and they do like a traditional ceremony.
Do most houses have temples?
Every house.
Every house?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
They must have their own temple. Usually the temple is the head. They consider the head of the house, and then the toilet is more in the south.
Yeah.
It's like a human
Okay.
configuration.
Oh.
Yeah. Temple is the head in the north, yeah. The Utara, yeah, in the north.
So this is a school and a house combined?
Yeah, the school is right there in the front, and
Oh.
right here. Here the school, and here, everywhere. Children is just,
The senior kids, are they still like 7 to...
No, they're probably in like high school, more like a high school.
Okay.
Yeah. The youngest one is 6 years old.
Wow.
This is the temple that's inside of the painting school and his house. Each house actually has to have a temple.
This is for God. When you see, there's nothing on top. It's universal.
Yeah.
And this is what they call it Rong Tiga, where they and their ancestor, their family ancestors.
Cover with wax to protect the this side, and then more wax here, and we dye for the first color, and then wax again. Yeah, more color, more wax. Until the last process, we boil it, take off the wax, and this final product, top wax.
Wow.
Wax, we use beeswax. This is thread. We make the pattern like this.
Oh, wow. Yummy coconut. Got some yummy noodles. It's the next day and we are headed out to do a day tour here. We're gonna go to the monkey forest and one of the waterfalls here, the rice terraces, and like a temple and stuff like that. We're just waiting for our driver currently. We're waiting and just enjoying the view. Oh man.
No people swim.
So I'll explain a bit about this place. There's more than 1,000 monkeys in this area, and they're divided into 7 different groups and 7 different territories. So in case if the monkey jumps on you, don't panic.
Yeah.
Never touch the monkey. Just need to walk fast until you enter a different territory, and they will jump on
Oh, okay. So each one of them has their own
territory.
Yeah.
Don't make eye contact.
Okay.
In this every day.
Just getting a little cleaning.
How do I do?
Wait, máy là e. You couple?
Yes.
Peace. Okay.
Let me go play. The baby's just holding on. Oh, they're so small.
Protect them from UV.
Monkeys can get sunburns too. Oh, he said the backpack though.
So cute. He's like, I got you.
Have you seen rice before?
No.
No? Yeah, this is rice. Looks like. Then the grains, when it's ready, the grains gonna show you from here. They grow like flower first, and then the grains came out. And then they need, from the start they plant it, need 4 or 5 months to be harvested. They need to dry it after that. And then after dry, for the one that you cook, we need to peel the skin.
This is white color.
Like that.
Wow.
Hey, Akatsuki. Akatsuki?
Hi.
Look to the left, look to the left, eh? Look to the left.
Lying down your body.
Lay down your body.
Lying down. Ready? 1, 2, go! The camera.
Look back, look back.
Yup. Go. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, you can have break.
Woo! Yum. Got some kind of vegan food. I don't know exactly what, but he's got some duck over there.
Ducky duck.
Us.
Dulu ni tu. Uli tegalalan. Lan.
We have Arabica coffee and also Robusta coffee. This one is Arabica coffee. So for Arabica coffee, they have small leaf like that, and this is called coffee berry. You can see them first. Yeah. It's different. Ginger is green color, and turmeric is yellow color that we can use also for coloring on our food. This one is lemongrass. This of the coffee will come out, and then how we make the powder, we pound it normally.
About to have poop coffee.
So we're having luwak coffee. So I don't know what kind of animal this is. Oh, it is a luwak. But it kind of is like cat-ish. Looks kind of like a possum, raccoon mix. what happens pretty much is they digest it and they can't process the bean part, so they pick it back out and they pick it back up and then they clean it and everything and then they make coffee out of it.
Welcome drink for you. So you can try the welcome drink first. The welcome coffee is coming in a minute.
Thank you.
Coffee we brewed by a coffee maker that we call Siphon Coffee Maker. We display them here. Just this one. Okay, so in here we have 4 black coffee, which is the black coffee without sugar. The flavor coffee we have from coconut coffee, vanilla coffee, chocolate coffee, ginseng coffee, and also avocado coffee. It has brown sugar and creamer. Yeah, and also at the side we also have another 5 teas, infusion tea, like the turmeric herbal tea made from the turmeric and also tamarind, and we have ginger tea, mangosteen tea, and also rosella.
Thank you.
Yeah, try.
Do you need this type of machine to make it?
Hurry before it dies on me.
Where am I at?
Poop coffee.
Tastes good.
Okay. Poop coffee.
Still a little hot.
Tastes like coffee. Very hot though, so I'm gonna sit for a little longer.
We're jumping to the next point. There's a 3 points. On one is
Going waterfall jumping today, and I'm not going to be bringing my camera. I'm going to be bringing my GoPro. That's one less thing I have to carry. About to be picked up, head there. It's like a 2.5 hour drive. So I will catch y'all there. We're gonna go jump off some waterfalls today, so it's gonna be really fun.
In every school you sleep. They're hiking for the day.
Yeah.
Oh, worth the shot.
You have a white skin.
Yeah, makes a little bit.
Skip.
Wow.
Umbrella.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
That was scary because it took me before I could like.
Okay guys, so we just went down that freaking water slide, and that was the most exhilarating thing I've ever done, and I think my life flashed before my eyes. It didn't hurt at all, which that's what I was scared of. But it was like a drop off. a literal drop off, but where to go again? Woo.
Okay, lie down. Yeah. Okay, sit down there. Yeah, straight up. Yeah. 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 Ready?
Yeah. Oh my god. Count down for you? You want me to count down? 3, 2, 1.
Ready? Yeah.
Go, babe! Woo! You okay? Yeah, duty. Oh. Where's your baby? Let me see. Turn around. Oh,
Going to find a charm for my bracelet. We're headed to a yoga class. It's an hour and a half long yoga class. But we're gonna try to find some coffee and then we will go. Yoga was great, and now we are at Herb Library, which was right by it, and they have vegan, vegetarian, and omnivore stuff, but it's all raw, so they don't cook it to a certain temperature. My goodness, I didn't realize it was gonna be this big. Got a whole pizza going too. Got some fish over there. Good.
We got back from scuba diving, which was amazing. We saw a lot of cool things. We saw some turtles, some stingrays, lots of different fish. But now we're back at our place, and we had reserved a with flowers and everything. So we're about to go do that. It's at 4 and it's 3:50, so we're kind of just waiting. And probably it's gonna be a photo op, so we're gonna be taking a lot of pictures probably.
No, that's not you.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome. Happy early birthday.
Thank you.
Is it cute?
Yeah.
Finished our time here in Ubud, and we are now heading to Nusa Penida, and we only have a few days there. We're gonna be mainly just checking out the place and scuba diving, and that's about it. But we have to go take a ferry to get over there since it's an island, so we are packed up and about to head out.